Hello friends, last part finished. Search user, click and then fetch the search user chart, top navigation bar and profile information. In this part, how to send chat message to the chat users. Now go to the action messenger.php file. So in this file, here that is inside messenger chat bottom, there is class name messenger chat bottom. Here that is copy the class name of messenger chat bottom, send inside, paste below that and changes the class name. Here that is class name is messenger chat bottom, send message. Now change the image source name also. Here that is icon is send icon. Just change this the source icon as send.png. Now save the file home.php. Now refresh the browser. Now search user, click, here shows send icon. Now design the messenger chat bottom, send messages. Now go to the messenger.css file. Now here just copy the messenger chat bottom, send inside and also image. Now changes the paste below that and changes the class name. Here class name is messenger chat bottom, send messages. And then paste it. Here width is 25px, height also 25px, margin auto, and then inside image width 100%. Now save the file and then refresh the browser. Here shows send icon. Now hide this icon, that is send icon. Here display none. Now save the file home.php and then refresh the browser. Here that is icon click, input click. Here that is hide the send icon. Now just copy go to the messenger.js file, just copy the keyup function, document on keyup functions, and then paste it, and then first write tag name is, that is insert chat messages. Now paste it, document on keyup functions. Now go to the action messenger.php. Now here inside messenger chat input type class name, that is input. Here input is id, so id name is inside the double quotes, text is chat type, and then copy paste instead of search users. Here that is variable name changes to chat type, and then remove the paste search users. Here just copy the chat type here function if else, here chart type dot length, here means count the text values, here chart type dot length greater than 0. Now that is function, that is if function, here that is inside if function, just copy the class name messenger chart bottom send inside, here paste it, here first that is chart bottom send inside is hide, and hence chart bottom messenger chart bottom send inside show. Now just copy also messenger chat bottom send messages, here chart dot type length greater than 0, here if function is shows, else messenger chat bottom send messages is hide. Now save the file, actionmessenger.php file and also home.php file. Now go to the browser and then search users, click profile, click here, that is type the messages and then type the messages, here hide the like icon, show the send icon if it is null, and then hide the send icon, show the like icon. Now go to the messengers.js file. Now just copy the document on click functions, paste below the key up function. Now here that is messenger, just copy the, just write inside the messenger chat bottom send messages and then id inside double quotes, inside single quotes, inside the concatenate, here just copy the $search user id, here that is $search user id means that is receiver id, just paste it and then here messenger chat bottom send messages, click just copy the class name messenger chat bottom send messages and then paste it, here document on click chat bottom send messages function is click, here variable receiver id equal to dollar, inside this means current id is search users id, here attribute id, close with semicolon. Next write variable type equal to, inside the double quotes write text type, here sending messages is text type. Now below the on click function write one more function, that is function insert chat messages, open and close bracket, after that open and close flower bracket, here that is copy the insert chat messages, here replace the fetch search users. Now inside the insert chat messages, inside the bracket write receiver id comma type and then copy it and paste it inside the insert chat message functions also inside the bracket. Now here copy the AJAX request functions and then paste it inside the function insert chat messages and changes the variable action. Here that is copy the insert chat messages, paste inside the single quotes, that is variable actions, and also sending data to the server, that is insert chat messages, chat message action, and then copy the receiver ID and then paste it here also, that is sending data receiver ID. Here sending data is receiver underscore ID, comma, just copy the again receiver ID, paste it, and then sending data also type and then paste it. Now the tag the dollar message, right? Below that write alert inside the bracket, that is success function data. Copy the data, paste it and close with semicolon. Here sending data method is post, action is URL is action messenger.php file. Now go to the action messenger.php file. Now write the tag, that is tag name is insert chat messages. Below that write if function, open and close with dollar bracket. Inside the bracket, that is set, again inside the bracket dollar post, and then inside the square bracket and copy the insert chat messages, paste inside the single quotes. Here that is sending the data insert chat messages, that is action, using post method. Now inside the flower bracket write dollar receiver ID equal to dollar post. Inside the square bracket, now copy the receiver ID sending data and then paste it inside the single quotes. Here that is receiver ID, close with semicolon. Just copy receiver ID again and then changes. Here dollar type and also sending AJAX request method type variable type and then paste it inside the single quote, that is also post method. Here receiver ID just echo for testing purpose it is working or not. Just save the file home.php. Now go to the browser. Now search user profile click. Now type the messages and then click the send icon. Now save the file again. Just go to the text editor and then save the file. Now go to the browser. Here that is search user profile click, Virat Kohli profile click, type the messages and then send the button. Here that is alert shows receiver ID. Now one more user Dhoni. Here type the messages. Here that is send icon clicks. Here that is user ID is 2. So here sending message, that is working. So now remove the echo. Now write the echo function, SQL query. Now dollar SQL. equal to inside the double quotes inside the query function close with semicolon. Now go to the database phpMyAdmin. Now create the new table. Here the table name is user underscore chart underscore messages message. Here table name is user chart messages, and then column name is first is chat ID, and then second column below that is sender ID, and then receiver ID, and then chat messages. Here that is chat ID, type is integer, length is 11, and then sender ID, type is varchar, and then length is 150, and then receiver ID, type is varchar, length is 150, chat messages, type is varchar, and then length is 250, and then chat ID set to auto increment, that is primary key. Now save it. Now user chat message table is created. Now again create user chat messages, create user chat messages, again two more column after chat messages. Here that is column, here that is chat post underscore post, and then type, last is date. Now chat post type is varchar, length is 250, and then type also varchar, length is 150, date set to timestamp, and then default set to current timestamp, and then save it. Now here that is created user chat messages table. Now create one more table, go to the new. Here that is table name is chat users, chat underscore users. Now here name, create column name, here first is chat users, chat underscore user underscore ID, next is sender ID, receiver ID, and then date. Here chat user ID set to type integer, length is 11, and then sender ID, type is varchar, and then length is 150, and then receiver ID, type is varchar, length is 150, and then date set to timestamp, and then default set to timestamp, and then default set to current timestamp, and then chat user's ID set to auto increment, that is primary key, and then save the table chat users. Here that is created created two tables, that is user chat message table and also chat users table. Now go to the text editor. Here that is SQL equal to inside the double quotes. Here table, select the table, that is user chat messages. Go to the SQL. Here copy the insert values. Just copy and then paste inside the double quotes. Here insert into user chat messages. Here remove the chat ID and then here that is remove the chat post, date. Here insert into user chat messages sender ID, receiver ID, chat messages and type. Now just check it is how many values. Now just go to the file messenger.js file. Here that is sending the chat messages. Here that is input field, that is ID, chat type. Go to the messenger.js file. Here forgot, that is just copy the variable chat type. Here that is paste inside the insert chat messages. Paste inside the on click messenger chat bottom send messages. Here that is changes variable name chat messages instead of chat type. Here just copy and then paste inside the insert chat messages receiver ID comma type comma chat messages and also sending the data to the server, that is chat messages after the type, that is AJAX request. Here that is sending the one more data, that is chat messages. Here sending that data chat messages to the server. Here chat underscore messages. Now go to the action messenger.php file. Here there is one more post method below the receiver ID. Here copy the chat messages sending data using AJAX request method. Paste it, that is post $post inside the single quotes. Here write the $chat messages variable. Now one more sender ID, just copy receiver ID, paste it above that and then changes the variable name, that is $sender ID. Here $sender ID equal to $session user underscore ID. Here that is login user ID. Now here insert into user chat messages. Here exactly sender ID equal to sender ID, $sender ID and then receiver ID. These values is receiver ID, that is second parameter, and then third one chat messages and then value is $chat messages. paste inside the single quotes, and then last is type. Just copy the dollar type. Here insert value inside the single quotes dollar type, and then remove the other values. Here that is insert data, that is 4 parameter: sender ID, receiver ID, chat message and type, and then close with semicolon. Now write the dollar result equal to MySQL underscore query. Here connect the database. Now inside the bracket, that is 2 parameter, first dollar connection, that is connect the database, and also sending the insert the query, that is insert user chat messages. Here dollar SQL, close with semicolon. Next write the if function. Here close, open and close flower bracket, and then also else function. So here inside the if, inside the bracket, MySQL underscore number underscore rows, inside the bracket dollar result. Here MySQL number of rows is greater than 0, that is dollar result greater than 0. Just check it. Sorry, inside write the one more query. So just if function inside the bracket, that is dollar result, inside the if function write one more query, dollar SQL equal to, inside the double quotes. Here that is one more query, that is chart users table. First select from chart users, paste inside the double quotes. Here select from chart users where, here that is data table, sender ID and receiver ID. Just copy the sender ID and then sender ID equal to, inside the single quotes paste the sender ID, dollar sender ID, and then after the write and, that is and function, and then copy the sender ID and then changes. Just copy the receiver ID one more, receiver ID, and then inside the single quotes changes receiver ID. Here that is select from chart users where sender ID equal to sender ID and receiver ID equal to receiver ID. Here checking both values are true, and then close with semicolon. After that write dollar SQL result equal to, connect the database MySQL dollar query, MySQL underscore query. Inside the bracket write dollar connection comma dollar SQL, close with semicolon. Here if function, here that is MySQL underscore number of rows underscore rows, MySQL or number of underscore rows. Inside bracket that is paste dollar SQL result. Here that is number of rows greater than 0. Here if function inside, and then else inside the flower bracket write one more query. Just copy the insert functions and then paste it inside the else function. Here that is checking first sender ID and receiver ID already exist. Here that is if function shows, that is give blanks, and then else insert chart users sender ID and receiver ID. Here that is changes inserted into chart users sender ID receiver ID values sender ID receiver ID, and also $query, and then remove the chat messages and then type, and then just copy the query. Here $query result equal to MySQL query inside the bracket $connection comma $query, and then if function inside the bracket paste the $query result. Now inside the flower bracket write the echo message. Here insert the double quotes, write the text, insert chat message success, and then close with semicolon. Now save the file messenger.js and action messenger.php and also home.php file. Now go to the browser. Now refresh the browser and then chat search user profile click, and then send the message, type the message and send the message. Here shows alert blank, so here is something wrong. Here check it again. Go to the action messenger.php file. Here messenger.js file is no error, and check it action messenger.php file. Here just remove the comma and then everything is correct, and then save the file again home.php. Now go to the browser and then Virat Kohli profile click. Here type the message hello dear, and then click send icon. Here alert shows insert chat message success. Go to the phpMyAdmin. Here checking, here table user chat message, here sender ID 3, receiver ID 1, and then chat message hello dear. Now go to the another table chat users. Here also inserted sender ID and receiver ID. Here sender ID means that is a login users Rohit user ID, and then chat users is Virat Kohli, that is user ID is 1. Now send the one more chat users. Here chat users name is Dhoni, user ID is 2. Here inserted chat messages hello, sender ID 3, receiver ID 2, and also send the message, type the message just how are you, and then click the send icon. Now go to the phpMyAdmin. Here check it. Here inserted one more chat message how are you, and then search the, here that is type the send to the Virat Kohli. Type the message, how are you Kohli? Now send the button. Here that is shows user chart message table. Here insert data, insert message successfully. Here type is text. Now go to the text editor, messenger.jss file. Here just copy the chart type dot value. Here inside the chart type value, just remove the alert. Here inside the value, inside the bracket, write single quotes and send the message to the user and click the send icon, and after send the message, here that is input field shows empty. Now finish the inserted message to user successfully and also inserted message to database. So please subscribe my channel Subbu Tutorials and share my videos and click the bell icon. Thank you for watching this part. So any query asking in comment section. Thank you.